Good morning, friends. My name is N.K. Mishra. I am speaking on behalf of Abhiyan Academy. I am director of Abhiyan Academy, which is accredited institute of IABF. Our details may be have from the site of the IABF, www.iabf.org.in. This message is regarding the change of the syllabus of the debt recovery agent training. I have already sent this message to my maximum candidates, corporates, companies, banks, etc. By way of video, audio. This message is in English so that the candidates from, say, non-Hindi speaking area may understand the things. The new book has been published in English, Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil. In other languages, the book is being published. The cost of the book is, in English, it is the 540 rupees. This is the English book. In Marathi, the name is Karj Vasuli Bavat Pustika. The cost of the book is 790 rupees. In Hindi, the book name is ऋण वसूली के संबंध में हैंडबुक. The cost of the book is 790 rupees. Again, in Telugu, the book is written in Telugu language also, and the cost of the book is 695 rupees. 695 rupees. Different amount is there, 695. And in Tamil also, the book has been published, and the cost of the book is 860 rupees. 860 rupees. Gentlemen, keeping one book is compulsory as per the instruction of the IABF. Now, from where you can purchase the book? Request you to go to the site of the Tax One publication and put your order. They will supply the book at your door level on the cost itself, without discount. The cost of postage, etc. will be borne by them. Another thing is that you go to the Amazon, but putting the, say, order with the Amazon is risky, because they have the stock of the old book also, and they may send the, say, old book to you. So for time being, I will request you not to put the order with the Amazon. Now, in earlier, we were collecting 600 rupees for English book, costing 540 rupees, and sending it at the address of each candidate with notes, MCQs, etc. The total note size is more than 60 to 80 pages. These notes are essential because it has been prepared by our expert, say, faculty. And this note too is in English, Hindi, Uriya, Telugu, Bengali, Assamese, Tamil, etc., etc. Now, earlier we were charging 600 rupees and sending the English book and Hindi book also. But now, due to the rise in cost like that, it is not possible for us to send the book on 600 rupees, whereas the cost itself is 790 rupees. Then what you can do, that you can remit 850 rupees for this new revised book costing 790 rupees, so that 60 rupees we can pay for the postage, etc. Although it comes to more than 60 rupees, and also for the notes also, if you will calculate the cost, it is more than the 850 rupees. gentlemen, request you to say, purchase one book. In case you wish, you can sell it or hand over to your organization for keeping in the library so that the other candidate may be benefited. Thanks a lot. Please.